Alright, so in this lecture we are going to be adding a secondary light source. So we're going to make a new layer that's on top of everything else we have so far. We're going to call this secondary light. And I'm imagining that there's another light source coming from the right. So I'm going to get my painting brush back. And we're going to start by color picking that red. I'm going to bring it towards the blue. And we're gonna start painting that in. So I'm gonna zoom in here. Imagining it's coming somewhere from the back, sort of right. All right, then let's come down here. We got these little folds and wrinkles here that we're going to pick up on. All right, I'm gonna use my slider here. I think we want this to be, I'm not sure I'm filling this purple color. Let's move it towards this sort of blue. There we go. I think that looks a lot better. Alright, let's move on down to his feet. Keep it a little bit more refined to the edge, I think. Get a brush back here. Alright, I'm going to bring this up a little bit, I think, in brightness. As well as saturation. And we're just going to work a few more spots here, get a few more of these sort of wrinkles in here. All right, there we go. I think that is good for our reflected light. So that is it for this lecture, and I will see you guys in the next one.